Hello everybody, just a little explanatory video today. I'm going to be sending my Volvo 240 out to St. Hippolyte, to basically the only person I trust who's going to be fixing it for me. For those who don't know my 240, this is it in all its glory. It's been sitting in the garage for the last little while now because I have not had the time or money to fix it, and now I do have the money. So I'm going to send it over to my trusted man mechanic out in St. Hippolyte. Off she goes.